Hello everyone, welcome back to Anonymous Tech. If this is your first time here, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any valuable updates from the online and digital world. Today I'm going to walk you through a complete step-by-step guide on how to create a virtual foreign bank account using only your smartphone in almost any country around the world. So pay close attention and let's get started. Open any browser on your phone and go to gray.com. Once the page loads, scroll down and click on Get Started. At this stage, you'll be asked to fill in your personal details. I'm going to fast forward this part of the process. Make sure you watch the video until the end, because I'll be proving to you that this account is legitimate and that I've been using it successfully for a long time. At this point, you'll be asked to select the reason for opening a Gray account. For anyone involved in online business, content creation, or monetizing platforms like TikTok and other digital services, this option is commonly used to receive payments from international platforms. At this stage, you'll be prompted to enter your security code. Once that's done, your Gray account will be successfully created. However, that's not the final step. To access your foreign bank account details, you'll need to complete the verification process by submitting a valid ID or utility bill. After successful verification, your account will be fully active and ready to use. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more detailed guides like this. I regularly share practical tutorials on online tools, digital platforms, and ways to operate internationally using just your phone. If you have any questions or if there's something you'd like me to cover next, leave a comment in the comment section below. I read through the comments and respond whenever possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.